Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from video in Capcut for PC. So here I have already opened Capcut for PC and I want to add this video in my timeline. And I want to remove the background of this video. So what you guys need to do is you go to video and here go to cut out these ones right here. And if the background is only like one color or like green screen, then you can just use the chroma key. But I want to use the auto cutout because my background is not carry one color. So use auto cutout for delete the background automatically. So just click on the check icons right here, but please note that this only supports auto recognition output only. So I'm going to just click on this box and here the auto cutout is applying. Wait until it finish, okay? It will be completed and here is the result. I think it's pretty neat, so that's all. That is how you can remove the background to your video in Capcut for PC. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.